Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to create double exposure effect in Photoshop. Create a new document with following settings. Open your image on Photoshop. Go to Select and choose Subject. Add a layer mask. Now drag this image over the art book. Adjust the size. Open the second image. Adjust the size. Right-click and add clipping mask. Adjust the position and size. Add layer mask. Open the brush tool. Choose a soft round brush. Reduce the flow into 31%. Make sure that foreground color is black. Follow the process. Open the bird's image. Add layer mask. Change the blending mode into multiply. Open the brush tool. Choose a hard round brush. Increase the flow and opacity into 100%. Follow the process. Adjust the position and size. Now choose the background layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Follow the process. That's all. Hope you like it. If you like it, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Soon I will return with another tutorial. Till then, keep learning.